Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today we're playing part 2 of revolvers with Joe. The wonderful lands of Joe.
7 kills just from the end. Will, guess what just happened?
What?
There was so many cowboys coming at me, and I went 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4 shot, 5 shot, and I kept killing them.
Really?
Yeah, so I had 7 kills. I can't get my crate yet.
Wait, what?
Will?
Yeah?
Why do you girls love to do that pose? Because I think you need new trainers. Because on Roblox, what are those?
What did I get?
Will, please say I'm on your team. Please say I'm on your team. I'm on your team again.
Joe! I'm not gonna use the rainbow. You know why?
You've got a new gun. I see it.
I know, but you get it for free, Joe. The rainbow.
Oh,
Joe, if you're level 5, Joe, you get it for free.
Will, I'm already leading.
I'll take that. I got the sickest gun ever, Joe.
They're invading. They're invading. They're invading. Get out.
Joe, where are you? I want to show you my new gun.
Will, I already saw it.
No, Joe, 'cause I somehow got an uncommon box.
Bam attack. He died. Will, I'm leading. I'm leading the top.
Joe, my thing's called the Sapphire. Where are you?
I'm trying to shoot this person through the window, but I can't. He's dead. And she's dead. And... Dang, I was going to say he's... Oh, yeah, he is. I'm going to respawn back. I'm going to kill him. Oh! Dude. I got him. Well, I'm leading. Well, look how much kills I've got for the team. Well.
Yeah.
Look how much kills I've got for the team.
I got killed in midair.
Die! Oh, he came round again. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
we need to stop this in 5 minutes because I'll need to go. Well,
Yeah.
why do girls love to do that pose?
I don't know.
think we need new trainers. Because what are those? He's going in for shots, Will. Oh! Hey! You wanna die? You're gonna die, Mr. Beast, Mr. Beast! Big cool beast! Ow!
How did the Cowboys win?
I don't know.
Joe, if you go into trading, yeah, and you can just look at my inventory from that.
What?
So if you go into trading, you can just look at my inventory from that.
No, the training's not working.
Just tap it and then
It's not working.
I'll give you
None of my things are working. Yeah, nothing's working. No one's moving.
I'm not.
This guy's not. That guy's not. You're not. This guy isn't. This guy isn't. No one's moving on my screen.
Wait, Joe, am I moving for you?
No. Oh, everyone's moving now. Everyone's moving. Please say I'm on your team again.
Why is it always this map?
Yes, Will.
Joe, I want to show you my new. Joe, I want to show you my new gun.
I like this.
Joe.
It's green and white.
No.
Oh, wow.
Joe, look at this. Ready? Joe, watch me. Joe, look at me. Look.
Well, they've got chicken nuggets.
Oh my god, they got chicken nuggets. No way.
They've got DVD.
No, I'm gonna call them chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets, where are you? Chicken nuggets. Ah!
Joe, look at this. Joe, look at me. Yo. Wait. Where are you, Joe? I'll show you if I get to you.
Oh, he's not down on the floor, no. Well, Diffa is coming down like a master.
I killed Java G. I killed Java G. Joe, where are you? I want to show you my front flip. Juv, you can talk. Juvs.
Killed Diffa. Killed chicken nuggets.
Okay, Joe, I want to show you my front flip. My front flip.
Hi guys. I'm going back to the spawn. I'm in the church. I'm sniping from the church, Will.
Oh. I'm in the church.
Which one?
I don't know. Joe!
Do it.
Joe, look, ready?
Oh, do you press space twice?
Yeah, look. You have to have your thing full. Your blue bar at the bottom. Boopy butts. Oh! Yeah.
Wait, shall I try? Yeah? Can I just finish this round? We just need 8 more kills. Just need 8 more kills. No! 8 more kills and it's really easy. Ah! Well, he just stepped on him and he died.
I didn't die.
No, not on you. Ah! Well, we're gonna lose. We need a comeback for the last minutes. Come back, come on, they've got 30. No, we haven't recovered. Blip. Finished.
Okay, guys, that's gonna end of this video.
Just end off my video, Will.
Huh?
No, just end off my video.
But you're making a video as well.
Yeah.
Ah.
Guys, I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, smash that like button and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.
And exactly what Joe said to you guys. Goodbye.